Alright, so I got a good one, and it's a follow-up from the John Deere that I made a joke video about that it wouldn't shut off. So here's what we've got. I've even gone as far as grounding the coil directly to bypass the ground itself. It still won't cut off. Key is in the off position. I am checking the resistance between the ground cable to the ground of the block itself, and we've got 1 ohm, which is plenty. Now, of course, I just put this Chinese Amazon coil on here, and I didn't have this problem with the old coil except for when the old coil died. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to ohm the ground terminal back through in the coil itself and see what kind of reading we've got. Well, look at there. It just has all kinds of funny numbers. Now let's give her a tap here. I'd say I got a bad new coil. You win some and you lose some on Amazon with the Chinese aftermarket parts, but today I lost. Luckily, this is my personal mower that I got to fix and sell, and I'm not holding a customer up because of crap parts.